Welcome guys, in this lesson we will learn how to make book logo in Illustrator. Before go to project, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Go to what? Go to Illustrator and get the new file. Click this one or landscape in creating this. Go to what? Go to here and get the pen. Click this one or click in this one or this one. Okay, hold alt plus 1 plus, hold alt and come here or go to this one. So and then go to what? Go to pen, click in here or this one and then here and hold alt, click in here or here and click here. Okay, so select this one and click this one, change the color, change the background color, and this one select this one or hold control plus G, group this one, right click, group. So click in this one or rotate, right click and then go to what? Go to transform, replicate this one, vertical, copy. When you get copy, bring here. This is the logo. Please like, share, subscribe channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.